So here's how to fix Marvel Rivals error DirectX 12 is not supported on your system on PC. So first make sure you right click on Marvel Rivals property and then launch options. You can either type -dx11 or -d3d11 and then save and close it. Now try to launch the game and see if the error persists or not. Now if you're still getting the error, you can right click on Windows Start and look for your GPU app. For example, I'm using NVIDIA, so I'm going to look for NVIDIA app. And now under drivers, make sure you have the latest GeForce Game Ready driver or your GPU's latest driver. You can also click this to check for any updates, and then you should be able to install them if there is any available updates. What you can do also is you can close this app here and now go back to Marvel Rivals and try to run it again. Now if it still doesn't work, it's recommended to click on the game and then right click properties and installed files and verify the integrity of game files. Now to check if your system supports DX12, you can click on Windows Start, type run, and now inside run type DXDAIG, click OK, and that should open the DirectX diagnostic tool. Now DirectX version here, it should say DirectX 12. Usually when you have Windows 11, it's always going to be DirectX 12. Now in display, you can see here DirectX 12 Ultimate is enabled. Now if you don't have DirectX 12 enabled, you can try to run the game using DirectX 11 and see if it works for you, and that should solve the problem. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.